Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. The Middle East and Africa region is one of the largest regions in the world in terms of transformations, especially the past couple of years. Saudi Arabia is at the peak of these transformations, guided by the Saudi Vision 2030 and led by His Royal Highness Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. The country has become a global hub for business, for trade, for investment, for transformations, including digital transformation. But we all know with digital transformation comes the risk of cybersecurity. In fact, according to the World Economic Forum latest survey and report, cybersecurity remains one of the top 10 risks to doing business globally. To that end, we're happy to announce today a strategic agreement between MCIT and Trend Micro towards the objective of improving and enhancing cloud computing for cybersecurity in Saudi Arabia. This agreement centers around 4 pillars. The first pillar is relocating the Trend Micro Middle East and Africa headquarters to be based in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And I'm happy to announce that the headquarters is fully launched, operational, and we expect to do the opening ceremony very soon, inshallah. The second pillar represents technology, and we're happy to also announce today that we're launching a local cybersecurity data lake, cloud computing data lake in Saudi Arabia, providing endpoint security solutions, network security solutions, cloud security solutions, and extended detection and response, all from inside Saudi Arabia, in compliance with local data sovereignty and data privacy laws. Our third pillar, we are launching Represent Resources. And to that end, we're launching a center of excellence for expert cybersecurity resources to provide our public and private institutions across the kingdom with expert advisory and services for incident management handling. Last but not least, we announced the launch of a technical incubation program for Saudi cybersecurity startups with the goal to upskill cybersecurity knowledge, practice, and know-how in the region and in Saudi Arabia. These 4 pillars represent global presence, technology, resources, and ecosystem. And we estimate that they amount to an investment of over 200 million Saudi riyals. This represents Trend Micro's commitment to Saudi Arabia to safeguard and secure Saudi Arabia and the entire Middle East and Africa region. We have prepared a short video for you to showcase everything that I have just talked about. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. We are the world's first cybersecurity company to establish our regional headquarters in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Cybersecurity remains a crucial component of the Kingdom's 2030 vision, and we have already seen the country's resilience on that front being ranked at number 2 globally. We are humbled to partner with the government and private organizations of the country to further accelerate this progress through our MIA HQ in Riyadh. Our new state-of-the-art facility is equipped with an executive briefing center, an innovation and learning center, and a center of excellence for expert resources, as well as modern workplaces and meeting rooms for our customers, partners, and employees.
We are thrilled about our latest strategic partnership with the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology that has led to establishing a local data lake within Saudi Arabia. This makes us the first global company to offer localized SaaS solutions, providing state-of-the-art security for endpoints, cloud, and networks, as well as extended detection and response solution, all from inside Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia's major digital initiatives aim to strengthen the skills and capabilities of its youth and workforce. And we at Trend Micro are honored to collaborate with key government and private entities through initiatives such as the Trend Micro Certification Program in Security, Internet Safety for Kids and Families, Cyber Hub, and Capture the Flag competitions, all of which aimed at developing the next generation of Saudi cybersecurity leaders.
Trend Micro is proud to partner with Saudi Arabia, and we remain dedicated to bringing the technology, investments, and expertise to ensure the success of our continued mission to safeguard and secure the entire region.